Hi guys, this is the Tech Girl 007. Right, so today I'm going to be showing you guys on how to make YouTube thumbnail, okay, or you could call it YouTube title image or YouTube video picture. Okay, so basically a lot of people call it differently. A lot of people they're not familiar with the word thumbnail, so they call it all different names. So that's why I'm giving it like three names so you guys can know what I'm talking about. Alright, so let's get on with the video. Okay, so the thumbnail that we're making today is the actual thumbnail that you can see on the title of this video. Alright, so let's see how we do that. Right, so first of all, what you want to do is obviously go into Google and write in here YouTube thumbnail. Okay, you'll have a few options in here. The one that I usually use is what it's called Conva. So you go onto there, you go onto where it says sign up. So obviously I'm signed in, I'm just going to sign out from here so I can show you guys what sign up looks like. So you say sign up. You can either sign up with Facebook, or you can, if you have like a Google account, you can just enter your Google account in there and it should be able to get straight through, so you don't have to write all your details and stuff. So like if you wanted to sign up, you need to put your name and you have to tell them what you do, and obviously it'll take you to the next steps on obviously it'll get you to give them more information if you need to, then you'll get on from there. I'll just go ahead and I'll just log in, then I will I'll show you guys what we will do on the next page. Right, so once you have made your account, and then and if you're not logged in, you just want to go on to the top here where it says login. You want to press on login, and then you want to go on to, if you log in with Google account, so I'll just usually go Google, and then this should bring me this page to log in with my Google account. So this is the account that I'm using usually, and then I'll just say allow. Alright, so in here there's a lot of options in here, and you can choose from, obviously these are the ones that I've already made. So if you want to choose like a new one, you have to go on to like a design school or something in there if you wanted. Otherwise, what I usually do is I go on to like Google, and then I put in a thumbnail, YouTube, obviously YouTube thumbnail, and this is when I'm usually logged in, and then I go on to the free Canva, and then I say start designing YouTube thumbnail. Okay, this will take me straight to this page where I can actually choose from the examples that's on the left to see which design I like, and then obviously edit it afterwards. So for this example, we're going to be choosing this. Okay, so in here it's got like watermark on it. That means it's not free, so you only want to select for now, unless you have obviously subscribed to pay for this. Alright, so I've chosen this one because I thought this was free, but obviously it's not free. I did this deliberately so I can show you guys what's the difference. So the one that wouldn't be free, it wouldn't say free in here. The one that would be free would say obviously free in here. And then now because obviously that's not free and I haven't subscribed for it to be paid, now I will just select the one that's free. So I'm using this one, and it says Sunshine Thompson. So we want to delete that, and you want to write in here how to make YouTube thumbnail. Okay, so obviously you can see that this is all in uppercase. You want to make it to lowercase, you click on here where it says uppercase, so it's got a small a and a big A, and then it will change it to lowercase. And if you want to change it back to uppercase, you press on that again, but for now we want to keep it to lowercase. Okay, that's one one feature of this. I want to just make it smaller, so you go to where it says 7.75.4. I want to just make it to like 36 for now. I don't know what happened there. Right, so I want to make it a little bit bigger so that it can be seen. I want to press in here and press on enter on the keyboard so you can bring it down. I want to make this like Y to be bigger and T to be bigger so that it's the name of a company, right? And the bottom I'll probably say my YouTube's name, so the Tech Go 007, right? So we want to change that also to lowercase, and we will probably keep it as that. Or if you want to change the font, you want to go in here where it says Rayleigh. Obviously Rayleigh has been selected for now, but I want to actually make it so it's a little bit thinner than usual. So let's see, this one, yeah, that should be great. So right now, if you want to put any images on here, you could. So say for example, if you want to put an image, say for example you want to say in here subscribe, and you want to bring that on there to be used. So say subscribe button, YouTube, or whatever. You want to go onto the images, and you want to, which one shall I choose? Subscribe. All right, let's just choose this one. Okay, and you want to, when you clicked on the subscribe button on there, on the image, you want to right click on the mouse, and you want to say save image as. So I'll just save it on desktop for now, and then just say save. Now let's go back to where it says YouTube thumbnail, and in here I would like to bring it. So first of all, you need to upload it to this site. On the left hand side you can see something called uploads, and in here say upload an image. Then you want to go to desktop. Alright, so let's get that subscribe from here, say open, and now it's trying to upload it. So wait for it to get up to here, up to the end. Now it has been uploaded. Okay, so now we've got this picture in here. Obviously it's too big. We don't want it to be that big. We want to make it smaller. Okay, so say like for example, if you wanted to bring this behind subscribe, you could do that by positioning. So you want to say take backward. Okay, so you see that's gone behind it. If you want to bring it forward, just want to go and say forward, and you got all these options: top, bottom, left, center, right. But for now I just want to delete that. I just wanted to show you guys how that works. Right, so let's see what other things are there for me to show you guys. Obviously you got your shapes in here, so you can use any sort of shapes. You can use charts, you can use, obviously you can name your chart, the items and everything, and you can obviously explore it for yourself or just remove it. And you've got some other ones. There are some that are free. I'll bring this Canva because it's relevant in here as I'm using Canva. So I'll put this in here. I don't think you can change the color on the background on that Canva. Sometimes you're able to change some of the colors, but not on this one. Right, so so you can put an image, you can put a element like shape, you can choose a background color if you wanted. So say for example, if I wanted to change the background to, currently it's white, but say if I wanted to change it to blue, that's how I do it. So you select that. Otherwise you can make an image to be a background. So let's go to the uploads, and if I bring this, so if you just drag the image on here, it'll just get inserted onto the background. But obviously I don't want to insert that because that's going to make everything worse. I just wanted to show you how it is. I'll just take it back and not do it. If I wanted to keep it there, I have to release my finger from the mouse. Right, so now let's see what else. Maybe I could bring this on the background. Okay, so just to show you guys. Okay, yeah, I could bring that. Then I'll just center this. Okay, so you got all of this that's covering it. This is just something that's on top of the page, which was there from before. You could probably remove it by pressing delete, but I just want to keep it because it looks nice. Now let's show you guys what else is there. Right, so you can see on my screen that the subscribe, now that I've changed the background is slightly grayer than the white color that we had. So you can see there's some outlining on the background button, which doesn't look very professional. So what you want to do is go on here and you want to, so say like you said subscribe button YouTube, so you want to say transparent. Okay, so once you've said transparent, then that should bring you all the transparent buttons. So say for example, if you want to select this one, it doesn't go transparent because it doesn't have the transparent background. Now let's see which one. Okay, this one has the transparent background. The way to show how it's transparent is got like small squares, white and gray squares on the background. So I know that's sometimes that can be like an image, so just be sure that you're selecting the right one. Even those squares can be image, can be an image that's like a background image, so yeah, just be careful. So in here you still want to say save as, and then you want to go into desktop and say save. Alright, let's go back, and I want to remove this, so I just want to click on it and then press on delete on my keyboard. Now let's go back to uploads and say upload an image, and let's get upload now, say open, and that's going to upload. Right, so that has uploaded. Okay, so as you can see it's here now and there's nothing on the background. We can be sure that this is transparent. So let's say if I want to crop it, I want to crop it down so the transparency is a little bit bigger. So I just want to just come a bit closer so that the image doesn't look very big. I want to just crop it down, make it smaller so that it can fit in here. Also, if you wanted to bring a new text onto the page, so onto the thumbnail, you want to go where it says text. You can add like text like that. You can move it around. You can write, say for example, YouTube. You can have like an added heading or add subheading, add little bit of body text. So it depends on what you want. Also, you've got these templates they've got, and you can just add, just click on it and just add it, and it'll just get added. You can edit it however you want. Alright, so that's it about text. Alright, so last but not least, if you want to save this image, you need to go onto where it says download. You want to say download, press on download, and then you can select to say JPEG, PNG, PDF standard, PDF print. I would like to just keep it to PNG, and then I would say download. So once this is getting downloaded, it will just get downloaded to the folder that I have set it to, but otherwise you can change that. Just press on cross in here, and in here to get to where this is, you want to click in here and say show in folder. Now you can see here I've got in here. I'll just copy it and put it to where I want to put it. Okay, so document, and here I'll just paste it in here. Right, okay, so that's it. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. Obviously there's more that you can explore, but this is what it is for now. And take care, guys. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share it, and I'll see you on my next video. Thank you, guys. Bye.